Or you keep getting the current network is unavailable error in Mobile Legends Bang Bang from your iPhone? Today I will walk you through 3 troubleshooting guides that will fix your Mobile Legends current network is unavailable problem on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1, check for a new update. Open the App Store, tap Search, type Mobile Legends, tap on it. And if you find the update option, please update it. Solution 2, offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, find out Mobile Legends, tap Offload app, again tap Offload app, and lastly tap on Reinstall. Once it gets installed, check your issue. Solution 3, reset network settings. Open Settings again, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset. Reset all settings, tap Reset all settings again. One of these processes will fix current network is unavailable error on your Mobile Legends gaming app. Now, if you have anything to ask, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.